Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share project article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing handmade embroidery design. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. The design for crochet everyday maker. This crochet handmade embroidery designed to make and look stylish and unique on your little one. This crochet handmade embroidery design are having to all fabulous design from easy. This can be as a simple or elaborate as you want. The handmade lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on and get their make shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your dupatta, blouse and every dress pattern designs. These embroidery designs are so beautiful and so unique. So here this sweet idea for creating these embroidery design or by using some custom color and shade it for your pattern now. This design use a big Steve crochet pattern can could be embroidery design and color scheme now. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. Please share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.